Hey guys, I wanted to share with you a walkthrough of the makeover of this French Provincial Jewelry Armoire that I just finished up. It's done in a blended style using chalk paint. It's also got furniture transfers, decoupage on the sides of the drawers, and some decor wax. I need to apologize for the lack of actual video on this one, but I didn't really video this process, but I wanted to share it with you because I think it came out really nicely. So I'm going to give you a little walkthrough in photograph style. Enjoy!